morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down. So, how's my class doing today?
Good, ma'am.
Good. How was your science test, by the way?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. That the result would tell. By the way, who's tired right now and wants to play? Everybody. Okay. So now tell me, who likes to play with Barbie dolls? Basically girls, but I have one of my very good friends, Anubhav, who also likes to play with Barbie dolls. Rahul also. Okay. Hands down. So I have this friend of mine called Kelly, and she said, please Gitika, prepare a room for me. Okay. So we'll arrange a room for Kelly and furnish her room. She said, I want a green bed. Where do I put this bed?
In the middle.
Pragati?
Next to Barbie.
Next to Barbie. Okay. She's very fond of music. Who's fond of music? Everybody. And who has a music system at home? Everybody. Kelly also has a music system. Where do I place it?
Beside Kelly.
Okay, Anubhav says besides Kelly. I place it somewhere here. Fine, looks good. She has a chair. Where do I put it? Unmesh.
In front of Barbie.
In front of Barbie. Okay, wait a moment. Front of, besides, on. Okay, let's continue. She has a sofa set. Where do I place the sofa set? Saransh?
To her left.
To her left. So it comes
in front of the radio system.
in front of the radio system, so that she can sit on the chairs and enjoy herself. Where do I place the table? It's a sofa table. Anubhav says between, hands down, he says between the sofas. Okay, between the sofas. Okay. She had some friends who had to come for tea. One of them was me, one of them was Manya, and Pragati. Three of us had to go for tea, but she had only 2 cups. Never mind, we'll share. So I placed the plates on what?
Table.
On the table. Okay. Let's place it here also.
It cannot fit.
Never mind. And I put the cups
On the plate.
on the plates. Fine again. Okay. She has a beautiful dressing table. We forgot about that. Okay. Where do I put it?
Ma'am, near the table.
Besides the
Beside
bed.
the bed.
Okay. To the left. Next to. To the right. Okay. So what are these words telling you about Barbie's room, about Kelly's room? What are these words telling you? Who'll answer? Pragati?
Where the things are.
Where the things are. Okay, sit down, Pragati. That was nice. Anybody else? Saransh?
Where the things are placed.
Where the things are placed. Our little Harry Potter here with those nice specs has all the right answers. Anyways, so these words tell you where the things are kept, placed. Okay. Anybody knows what these kind of words are called? Now everybody knows. Okay. Manya?
Prepositions.
Oh, good. How did you know that?
Because I've learned it.
Okay, so you remember from the last classes. Sit down. Prepositions. Okay, prepositions are? Prepositions are? Saransh?
Where the things are placed.
Prepositions are where the things are placed. Is that correct? Is that correct English? No? Something missing somewhere? We'll complete the sentence. Prepositions are. Prepositions are. Manya? What are they? Are they letters?
No, ma'am.
Are they sentences?
No, ma'am.
So what are they?
Ma'am, there's some words that they tell about something.
What is that something?
I'm describing something.
What is that something? They describe the.
Ma'am, the words.
Ma'am,
Okay, Pragati.
they describe where the things are.
Okay, sit down. She says prepositions are the words which describe where the things are placed, or in other words, prepositions are those words in a sentence which tell us about where the things or people are placed or kept somewhere. Okay? Got that? Okay. Okay. I had another friend of mine called Rahul. Now this particular friend of mine was very fond of animals. And guess what he kept as pets in his garden?
Rabbits.
Rabbits. Anybody has rabbits at home?
No, ma'am.
No. But has anybody seen rabbits?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody. Okay, one of our friends has a rabbit at home. Okay, can you tell us something about her?
Ma'am, she's white in color. Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I have given it to my friend.
Okay, sit down. Now this friend of mine, Rahul, had a garden full of rabbits. Please take out this worksheet. And strangely enough, he had different colored rabbits in his garden. Different colored rabbits. Orange, red, pink, purple, black. Okay. So, let's complete these sentences given in the worksheet. And the clues are the rabbits on these posters. Let's see. The red rabbits are playing.
Below.
Below.
Saransh?
Below the tree.
Okay. The red rabbits are playing below the tree. So we have another word. Below. Are you noting all these words down?
Yes.
Yes? Please note them down. Complete the sentences. Also note these words down. Okay, the next sentence. The yellow rabbit is standing front of the hut. I think something is missing.
In front.
Pragati.
In front of the hut.
Okay, the yellow rabbit is standing in front of the
hut.
Anubhav has a question. He says, can't we put before? No,
No, ma'am.
we can't say before. It's incorrect. More correct is in front of. Okay. The pink rabbit is. Where is the pink rabbit? The pink rabbit is standing near the pond. Okay. The purple rabbit is sitting on. Okay. Do we have near here? Okay. Near. So many prepositions. Okay. The purple rabbit is sitting on. The black rabbits are standing
Around.
around. That's very nice. The orange rabbit is sitting
Next to.
next to. Do we have next to? Yes. Okay. So, have you formed some idea what prepositions are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class. Let's play a game now. Is everybody familiar with the snakes and ladders?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. we'll play snakes and ladders, but also we'll learn English along with it. And especially what?
Prepositions.
Okay, who would like to roll the dice?
Mom.
Okay, Saransh. And who would like to move the magnets? Rahul. Thank you. And I want somebody to move around with this tray. I think Sonal. Okay, Sonal, come. Now, what we'll do is, Saransh will roll the dice for the class. We'll divide the class in 3 groups. Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A will have the red color. Group B will have the green color. Okay? Happy green color. And Group C will have the blue color. Okay? Fine. Now, let's play a game. Everybody is familiar with snakes and ladders?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Saransh over here will roll the dice for us. Sonal would carry this tray of cards and Rahul would move the magnets. We'll divide the class in 3 groups. Group A with the red color, Group B with green color, happy, Group C with blue color. Okay? Now, when Saransh will roll the dice, that particular team would pick up a card corresponding to the color which comes on the board. Okay? Got that?
Yes.
Fine? Okay, let's start. Saransh, roll the dice, please. Group A got 1. Okay, Sonal, please carry the cards tray. Pick up a card, a yellow card. Okay, the card says, put a toffee, dash your mouth. At or in? Akshi?
In.
Very good. Put a toffee in your mouth. Would it be at your mouth?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So we give it to you. Next, please. Group B. 3. Sonal, please carry the tray. So he picked up a green card.
Birds live on the trees, fish live dash water.
Okay. Birds live on the trees and fish live? Anubhav?
In the water.
In the water. Very good. Okay. Please roll the dice again for Group C.
Mommy is not doing it like this.
Never mind. 6. Oh. Please carry the tray.
25.
7, 25.
Oh, great. Group C, please. What color is that? Red.
Jerry laughed, dash Tom, at Tom.
Jerry laughed, dash Tom. I know who's the Jerry in my class and I know who's the Tom in my class. Anubhav is the Tom in my class. Okay. So, Namrata, you don't look very excited about the game, is it?
No, ma'am. It's very exciting.
Okay. So, tell me, Jerry laughed?
At.
Very good. Why are you so hesitant?
No.
Jerry laughed?
At.
Tom. Jerry laughed
At Tom.
at Tom.
Ma'am, who is Jerry?
Don't you watch Walt Disney cartoons?
Ma'am, I watch.
Then who's Jerry?
Ma'am, in our class.
Oh, in our class. You tell me.
Ma'am, you.
I am Jerry?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh God, please. I don't look like Jerry, do I?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, fine. So you call me Jerry ma'am from now on. Fine, never mind. Okay, please carry on, Saransh. Please hold it.
Again, This is red.
Dash India.
Okay. It says Delhi is dash India. In, at, on. What? Akshi?
In.
Delhi is in
India.
Very right. And would it be correct if I say Delhi is on India?
No, ma'am.
Would it be correct if I say Delhi is at India?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Very good.
No,
My
ma'am.
class knows everything. Why do I need to teach at all? Okay. Carry on, please. For group B, 4. Move the dice, move the tablets 4 places, please. Green color.
Ma'am, it will be again green.
Again green, is it? Yes. Pick up a green card.
Put the chair in front of the music system.
Okay. So, Anubhav, please come out. Here's the music system. And here's the chair. Please put it in front of the music system. Do it, please. Oh, great. Sit down. Thank you. This is the music system.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the chair.
Yes,
And he placed it in front of the music system. Okay, Saransh, please do it for group C now.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
2. 27. And it's a yellow card. Yellow card. Okay. Let's do one thing. This is the body of the bird. And these are the legs. Where do I put the body? Namrata,
Yes, ma'am.
where do I put the body? Upon the legs. So where do I put it?
Ma'am, is that a leg?
These are the legs.
Ma'am, under the... Yes, ma'am, there only.
Here?
No, ma'am.
No, she says no. Upon the legs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, yes, no.
No?
No?
She didn't get it. Oh God, Team C disqualifies. So sit down, Namrata. Upon the legs means over here. Like this. This is the body and these are the legs. So I've placed it upon the legs. Is it? Okay. There's a tie between group A and group B. Okay. I'll ask you a question and you tell me. I have 2 cards. Okay. I'll ask you one question. Please go back to your seats. Thank you. Rahul, thank you. Okay. Tell me, the bus arrived dash the bus stop. Okay, Anubhav.
At the bus stop.
At the bus stop. Okay. And who will tell me this? Osama threw a bomb dash the WTC.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Osama.
Ma'am.
Osama.
Akshi.
On.
On the WTC.
Ma'am, in.
No. Would it be
On
in?
the... No.
No, ma'am.
Would it be on?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
in.
It's at the WTC. Oh, group B is the winner.
Ma'am,
Good.
she was in 9.
But then there was a tie. They gave the correct answer. So I have to give it to them. Never mind, all the children in my class are so intelligent. Everybody is a winner. Is that fine?
Yes,
Does that
ma'am.
settle it? Okay. So now, for the home assignment, what you have to do is, okay, does everybody listen to the 9 o'clock news?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you? Or are you lying?
Ma'am, in the Star News.
Ma'am, the news at 9.
Okay, so you watch the news at 9.
9.
Okay, so what you do is, listen to the 9 o'clock news and write down 5 different sentences from which the newsreader speaks out, in which different kinds of prepositions are used. Fine? Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I repeat?
No, ma'am.
No. 9 o'clock news, write down 5 sentences with different prepositions used by the news reporter. Did you get what prepositions are
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do your home assignment, play a little, and thank you for now. Okay, class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, and thanks a lot.